Hey everyone, Samsung is gearing up to release the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro, a rugged smartphone that has recently been certified by the FCC. The device, which carries model number 7 Pro, is a rugged smartphone that has recently been certified by the FCC numbers SMG766U and SMG766U1, is set to replace the Galaxy XCover 7, bringing enhanced hardware and improved durability to Samsung's lineup of tough, enterprise-focused smartphones. The FCC certification confirms that the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro will support 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks, ensuring broad compatibility across global carriers. It also features triple-band Wi-Fi 6 support, Bluetooth at 2.4 GHz, and NFC for contactless payments and secure data transfers. Samsung has also prepared different regional variants, including the global SMG766B, US SMG766U/U1, and Canadian SMG766W models, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Under the hood, the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro is expected to pack a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, paired with an Adreno 810 GPU. Benchmarks from Geekbench suggest a solid performance, with the SMG766U1 scoring 1,157 in single-core tests and 3,288 in multi-core tests. The device is expected to ship with 6 GB of RAM and will run Android 15 out of the box, featuring Samsung's One UI 7 for a refined user experience. Powering it all is a 4,265 mAh battery, which should provide reliable endurance for a full day's work, though its exact longevity will depend on optimizations and real-world usage. While full details about the XCover 7 Pro remain under wraps, its predecessor, the Galaxy XCover 7, provides some insight into what users can expect. The XCover 7 featured a 6.6-inch Full HD plus TFT display with a 60 Hz refresh rate and enhanced touch sensitivity, allowing for usage even with gloves. Durability was a strong focus, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for screen protection, MIL STD 81H certification for drop and shock resistance, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it a suitable device for harsh environments. Internally, the XCover 7 was powered by the Dimensity 6010 Plus chipset, alongside 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card. The camera setup consisted of a 50 megapixels rear sensor and a 5 megapixels front camera, providing functional photography capabilities for work and general use. Additional features included a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C port, a programmable XCover key for quick actions, Dolby Atmos audio support, and pogo pins for accessories. The device also supported Knox capture, enabling barcode scanning, which is particularly useful for businesses. A key highlight of the XCover 7 was its user-replaceable 4,050 mAh battery, a rare feature in modern smartphones that allows for quick swaps in the field. Given the expected upgrades in the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro, users can anticipate improvements in processing power, connectivity, and durability. With a more advanced Snapdragon chipset, a slightly larger battery, and the latest Android 15 software, Samsung's new rugged smartphone is shaping up to be a reliable option for professionals who need a device that can withstand demanding work environments. More details should emerge closer to its official release, but from what is known so far, the XCover 7 Pro is set to refine and enhance Samsung's rugged smartphone experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, have a nice day, and God bless you.